Hello everyone! Good morning! For today's video is babatiin ko ang aking sister pero bago yan maglilipstick muna tayo. Ito ko'y namumutla yung labi ko nang magkakulay ang ating labi.
Oh my god.
Diba?
Oh my god.
Okay na guys. So yan. Happy birthday to my sister Jennifer Fernandez. Ayan, 36 ka na. Tumanda ka na naman. And more blessing pa sa'yo. And more birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. And pabati naman sa aking sister. Everyone, thank you so much. Thanks for watching.